Hono.js means flame in Japanese.
Fire.
It's a lightweight JavaScript framework alternative to Express.js with only 14 kilobytes of space. That rhymed intentionally. With over 20k stars on GitHub, in action, it looks very similar to its ancestor, but with built-in JWT, CORS, and WebSocket. Hono is one word away to be a gay framework. It has first-class support for TypeScript, and there is no need to configure any tsconfig file. It's multi-runtime, meaning you are able to run your app somewhere other than Node.js, like Cloudflare, Dino, Bun, and so on. Out of the box, it has JSX support, convenient for React developers. You can create a custom middleware with passing an async function to Hono.use, like Express and many other frameworks. And finally, Hono.x is for creating full-stack websites. Let's make a simple API using Hono and Node.js. First, run Hono create command, then choose a template and install the dependencies. Open your index file in the src folder, and here you can see your first endpoint. Run the project using this command and you have a server ready to go. Here's the endpoint with parameters. But as you can see, unlike Node.js, we have auto-completion for the parameters. And one last example is to return HTML as a response. To do that, define your HTML using template strings, and then throw that straight into the garbage, because you can use JSX syntax to write your HTML. To log requests and responses, add the logger middleware. That's all there is into it. Share your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching.